Think about doing 12 hours of creative work in just 3 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Just one click is all it takes. No problems, no stress, no limits. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Leonardo AI are powerful tools that are completely changing how creators, designers, and dreamers make their ideas real. Welcome to their world. In a few minutes, I'll show you how these tools can help you make amazing AI images, movie-like videos, and designs that are even better than you thought possible. No coding or complicated setup, just pure creativity powered by AI. So if you want to see what the future of creation looks like, stay with me until the end. This tutorial will blow your mind. Let's get right into Leonardo AI and see how 3 seconds can change the way you open Google and type in Leonardo AI to get started. The first link that comes up is the one you should click on. When you open it, this is what the interface looks like. Here you can see all of its models and features. Don't worry, I'll go over each one in detail as we go along. You can learn more by joining their community, watching recorded sessions, or reading the FAQs section. This tool is mostly for creators and teams, so everything is designed to be used in a creative way. Now let's talk about costs. There are free and paid plans for Leonardo AI. You can get a free version or a $10 per month plan that gives you 8,500 tokens each month and some extra features. The Artisan plan or Unlimited plan costs $24 a month and gives you 25,000 tokens. This plan is very reliable and works well for professionals who make things. If you work with a team, you can also get team-based access by calling their support. Let's go back to the main page now. Here are their contact details and other useful links. All right, let's get started. Clicking Get Started will take you to Leonardo's main dashboard. When you open it, you can make a free account. You can also sign up with your Google account. Now let's sign in with Google. Once you log in, this is the main interface or workspace where you'll make all your things. Now I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI to make videos and pictures one step at a time. With the free version, you get 150 tokens. This is enough to make 8 to 10 pictures with different models. If you pay for the upgrade, you'll get more tokens and better choices. Let's take a look at some of the most important jobs. The home page shows the pictures that the community made. This is where everything you make goes. These AI pictures are all very high quality and look great. All of your pictures are saved in your library. Here are the pictures you've saved or liked. I've saved some that I made with the paid version, for instance. Now the models section is the most important part. This is where all the real magic happens. Like a car has different models, like the Toyota Corolla and the Honda Civic, Leonardo has different AI models for making different kinds of pictures. Let's talk about a few of them. Lucid Original is one of the best models for HD quality images with a lot of detail. The pictures on Nano Banana, which is a newer model from Google, sometimes look like they're moving. Lucid Realism is another good model for taking realistic pictures. Adagram is a great tool for adding text to pictures, like thumbnails on YouTube. GPT Image 1 is still being worked on, but it's based on GPT architecture and is pretty good. Flux 1, Context Max, and Flux Dev are advanced models that help you get professional, movie-like results. These models decide how your picture will look and how good it will be. Then there are the choices for how to style. You can choose from styles like 3D strange, artistic, lively style. The concept for the game image. In the film's picture of stock, most of the time, the dynamic or cinematic style is best for YouTube videos. After that, you can choose the aspect ratio like this. YouTube, 16:9:1 for Instagram, 4:5 for Facebook, 9:16 for videos that are on a phone or in portrait mode. You can even type in your own ratio if you'd like. The options for resolution will depend on your plan. In the free plan, you can only get 480p or 720p. Paid plans let you get up to 4K though. You can also choose how many pictures to make at once, with a maximum of 8. You can pick your favorite from those and download it. Now let's make an example picture. This is what I will say. Self-driving cars from the future on a neon highway, AI doctors looking at holographic X-rays, glowing neural predictions, ultra-detailed cinematic vision. When you click Generate, it starts making things. It's normal for there to be a small mistake or delay every now and then. And here we go. The photos are done. You can easily save them to your desktop or gallery. If you choose a higher resolution, 720p, it will use more tokens. But if you pick 480p, it will use fewer tokens. That's how you take pictures. Next, we'll move on to the video model, where I'll show you how to generate AI videos inside Leonardo, step by step. Okay, everyone, the next step is to make videos. Now we're going to the video option. Let's open it up and I'll show you how to make videos here. There are different models at the top, and this part is all about controlling motion. You can choose how you want your motion to look, like bullet time, crane down, crash zoom, and more. These are all different motion effects, like the ones you can find in CapCut. They make your videos look like movies, like a smooth short film or a professional edit. There are a lot of options like handheld, RoboArm, and others. These are all popular and professional ways to move that you can try out. After motion control, there's motion elements. This lets you choose the style of your generated video: animation style, normal style, or cinematic style. You can use different animation options and elements, just like in CapCut. You can make animated videos, short clips, or even stylized images with them. Next is the prompt box, where you'll type in your video prompt, just like you do when you make images. You have the option to turn auto prompt on or off. I'm not using it right now because I already have a custom prompt. You can also choose the style, like if you want it to be colorful, cinematic, or moody. Next is the lighting section, where you can change the color of your scene to black, blue, brown, pink, or any other color that fits your mood or theme. This gives your generated video a really professional, customized look. And to be honest, you'll see how powerful this tool is once you start using it. It's a great place to learn, but it's also a great place to make amazing graphics and videos. To be honest, I think the future is changing, and it's possible that graphic designers won't have the same kinds of jobs anymore. Why? If Leonardo AI can make such great pictures on its own, why would anyone pay so much to hire a designer? Take a look at this. The AI is making pictures that a human designer could never think of. So why would businesses spend a lot of money on manual labor when Leonardo AI can do it faster, cheaper, and better? Anyway, let's get back to the video part. You can make your videos in either 480p, fast mode, or 720p, slow mode, depending on how detailed you want them to be. You can even make up to 4 videos at once. Here's an example of a prompt I used: a cinematic, high-detailed scene with focused students sitting in front of several glowing holographic screens. Ratio of 16:9. That's how to make a movie-like video. I'm sorry, but I don't have any tokens left right now, so I can't show you a live result. But you get the idea of how it works. Let's talk about the flow state feature now. This one also makes pictures that are very high quality, but I can't show you right now because I'm out of tokens. In flow state, you get prompts that are already made up, and you can change them in your own creative way. The image and video generation sections are where you'll do most of your work in Leonardo AI. That's where all the fun stuff happens. You can also use a canvas editor to change the images you made, just like you do in Canva. You can freely erase, change, and improve everything, but Leonardo gives you even more freedom in some areas. And yes, you can use an API key to connect Leonardo directly to Canva for a smooth workflow. If there is a small problem with the image you made, you can easily fix it in the Canvas editor and use it right away for your project. So that's it for today's tutorial. You can easily download your video or image after editing. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a separate, detailed tutorial on the editing features. This video might last 20 to 30 minutes if I start explaining everything right now, and you might get bored. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI to make even more cinematic and professional-looking images. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So guys, that was a short tutorial. I think you've understood everything I tried to explain, all the different features and tools. In this video, I showed you the various models, how to generate pictures and videos, explain flow sheets, Canvas editor, and everything else you need to know. I also walked you through the plans, the introduction, how to use the tool, where to use it, and whether it's free or paid. Everything has been covered. All these images you see above are created using the same platform, and they're really high quality. You can see the options on top. From there, you can generate all kinds of images exactly the way you want. So now you've got the full idea and a clear understanding of how this tool works. Now let me know in the comments below, what tutorial should I make next? Which topic do you want me to cover in the upcoming videos? And yes, don't forget to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye.